Look familiar? Starting your day wanting to do a great job but feeling frustrated by procedures you know should be taking much less time? By constantly having to fix other people's mistakes? Leaving you burned out without having much to show for it? Then dealing with a never-ending stream of uninvited guests pitching you last year's technologies, only to start it all over again tomorrow, again and again. But then one day you come across a fresh approach. An innovative, high-quality product range thoughtfully designed to enhance the way you work, incorporating the latest technologies to streamline your clinical practice and reduce errors, backed by results-oriented support and service. It's just what you've been waiting for, so give it a try. It's a game changer, enabling you to win on your own terms. Working with your patients becomes easier and quicker. Annoying salespeople are replaced by a stream of new and loyal clients. You save time and money buying direct from the manufacturer and cutting out the middleman, freeing you up to do more of the things you love. Making your business more profitable than ever, leaving you energized to give your best every day. Goodbye, old world, old paradigms, old business. The future is UNIQA. Say hello. Make the UNIQA change today.